What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Like I said to you yesterday, I had a busy day, so yesterday I couldn't make the giveaway, but today I am going to make the giveaway, okay? So the giveaway video was this one right here, so the latest agro funds. And, in order for you to participate in the giveaway, you had to do four simple tasks, okay? So the task number one, you had to like the video. So all you had to do is come over here, hit that like button, and as you can see right here, my like was the like number 29. So all you had to do is write your like number, okay? Simple as that, right? So task number two, you had to comment your name because I need to know who you are in order to give you the giveaway. And task number three was to write the keyword agro funds, agro funds with a Z, okay? So I'm gonna let this one go because a lot of people use the S instead of Z, right? So agro funds supposed to be the keyword with the Z, not with the S. And then task number four, you had to go to my TG group, Lucky Winners 329, in order for you to enter. Okay, so you had to go to my TG group, and then you just simply copy these first three entries. That was it. So like the video. So essentially, you would put your like. My like would be the like number 29. Okay, my name. So Crypto Channel 329, and then the keyword agro funds. Okay, simple as that. Right. So we have 20. Let me take my like off. Okay, we have 28 likes. So that means I'm only going to count the entries from like number 1 to like number 28. Because if you scroll down, we can see that this guy, like 39, doesn't exist, like 36 doesn't exist, and so on, because we only got 28 likes. So that means, all the other guys saying like 39, like 40 something, that's just not real because there is no like 29 on the video, okay? So I'm sorry for you guys, but whoever gets select from the likes 29 and above is not going to be selected. So how I'm going to do this? So I'm going to copy the link of this video, okay? And I'm going to paste it over here in the comment picker, okay? So I'll come over here to the comment picker and paste the YouTube link right here, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to filter duplicates, and let me go over to the poll and let's see what's up. Let's see how many winners we are going to pick. Okay, so we have 111 votes, but only 28 people like the video. Okay, guys, so I know a lot of bots enter. So I haven't select any of these options. So I'm going to select this one. What's going on? What's going on here? Seems like restart required. I don't know what happened there, but seems like the PC needs to restart. Like I said to you, I haven't choose any of these options, so I'm going to select the option number 3. So I would like 3 winners to win this one. But as you can see right here, we have 53% to win one guy, and this one, hang on. It doesn't say how many votes, how many people vote for this one. But we have, oh, it does it? 53 votes. This one, no votes. And this one, we have 59 votes. But again, guys, uh, but yeah, again, as you can see right here, we have 59 votes and 53 and 59 votes when we only have 28 likes on this video. So I'm not going to validate this poll because, if we had 111 entries, we're supposed to have 111 entries on this prize draw, and we did. Okay, guys. So I'm going to distribute the giveaway prizes to 3 winners. Okay, so I'm going to pick 3 winners, $10 each. Right, so let's go ahead and spin this wheel and let's see what's up. So we're going to add a little bit more suspense. So 5 seconds. And yeah, we are ready. So let's go ahead Pick the first, get comments. What's going on here? Why is not working? Ah, jeez. This thing is not working. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so this website seems to be working, so let's see what's up. We have 44 comments, okay, but like I said to you, I'm only going to validate up to the like number 28. Anything above that is not going to be valid, okay? So we have the first winner, which is this guy right here. And in order for you, this guy, to win the prize, I will have to go to the TG giveaway. And let's have a look at like number 14. Let's see if this guy followed the rules. And if he did follow the rules, we are going to give him his prize. Like number 14, 17, 16, 15, 34, no, 34, 35, 36, 41, 45. How's that possible? Jeez. Clearly some people didn't watch the video, but anyway, it's all good. So let's see if we can find the like number 14, 10, 22, 21, 21, 27, 14 right here. Does it match? Yes, we got a match. Yeah, we got a match. So this guy, let me just, this guy just won the prize. Um, okay, this guy just won the prize. So let's go to the next one. Okay. Next one, we got a Stephen Bieber. Okay, like number 13. I do remember seeing this guy around here somewhere. Right here. Okay. So yeah, we do have a match. Okay. And let's pick the third winner. Third winner is gonna be the Safu Fan. Ooh, Safu Fan. Safu was a good token. Was a good token. He pumped a lot all the way to 200 bucks. Okay. And then after that, I don't know what happened. So let's have a look at Safu. I think I saw Safu here somewhere. Safu, Safu, Safu. Like 21, 22, 10, 9, 28, 30, 39, 41, 46. 17, 18, 19, 20, right there. Okay, so like number 20, yeah, is here. Okay, so shout out to all the winners of this giveaway. And after watching this video, all you have to do is reach me out, and then once you pass the security questions, I will give you the giveaway prize. Okay, so stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.